Hey there, it's Kristen Poborski, and today I want to share what I'm doing behind the scenes in my business and what I'm teaching inside my 12X AI Enhanced Content Creation and Automation course. So, if you're feeling like you're on a never ending hamster wheel of content creation, trying to do it all yourself, or maybe you're spending a lot of money and time managing or using a team to help you create content, then you're going to want to listen in. I've been busy at work creating brand new content creation workflows force of custom GPTs that I'm adding to my content automations that I've been using up to a year now. So I'm all about improving my profit margins while running a lean team and creating better content that I can leverage across multiple platforms. And my secret weapon is my team of content creation agents. So let me walk you through. I've even named them because it's more fun to have a name and create a persona. I've even given them voicers using a AI tool called Revoicer, which I'll link that right down below because it's really awesome. I've given them scripts. They talk to my students. They have names in my GPTs. It's a lot of fun. So I use a custom mix of custom GPTs and automations that has cut my content creation time down without sacrificing my voice, my messaging, and it's improved my engagement. So I want to introduce you to the first one. There's Agent Alex. He's my custom GPT. He's only a GPT and he's in actually 2 or 3 GPTs. He might even be in more. But what he does is he takes my information and my students' information inside my courses and creates a custom buyer's blueprint. So think of it as your avatar. And then he uses that to create a content calendar. He even helps me and my students create a custom calendar where we can input how much time we have every single week and how many pieces I want to create in a month. And it comes up with a content plan, batch content creation plan that I can then plug into my calendar. So say I've got I want to create 4 pieces of content a month and I have half an hour a week. It comes up with a plan, a batching plan for every single week. And all I've got to do is just plug it right into my calendar, show up, do those things, and voila, I get 4 pieces of content done out the door for an entire month in just 2 hours. How awesome is that? Then I've got Agent Maya. She's my scripting gal, and she is both a custom GPT and an automation. She's trained to write scripts for my shorts using a transcript. She also writes script outlines. She helped me create this one that I'm talking from right now. Then all I do is input my content plan for the month, and doing this, and I think it takes like maybe just a few minutes. It saves me 2 hours a month. She's so good when it comes to taking my long form content and writing short scripts that they've generated over 3,000 views in the last 30 days, which has given me a ton of exposure and brand new subscribers on YouTube. And it gives me subscribers every single day to my mailing list from YouTube. So she's just awesome. I can't stop raving about her to everybody. I know I even did an entire video podcast, and I've got that linked right down below if you want to know more about Agent Maya and how that automation works, where it creates my scripts for me. Then I've got Agent Sophia. She's like my little social media director. What she does every single week is she is a automation. She takes my transcript and turns it into a blog post, YouTube description, podcast episode description, and even writes an email to my list so I can show up and stay top of mind. And it only takes her like 2 minutes to do all of this. And that blog post, it's SEO optimized, and it shows up right inside my WordPress in a draft mode. Not only does she do that, she takes that same transcript and turns it into 65 pieces of bite-sized social media content that I can publish everywhere. So having this little mini team has really enabled me to create more content that I can put out other places. I haven't gotten rid of my VA. She's still my right-hand person. She helps me create all of the images. She posts the stuff on Meet Edgar, which we're still using, which I'm hoping in the next couple of months, I'm going to have my new automation up and running that I can auto post all my stuff right out of Google Drive so I can get rid of Meet Edgar or any kind of publishing tool so I can save even more profit in my business and more time. And you see how just these four little I don't know, my team members, my brand new team members, it's really helped me level up my content game and show up every single place where I possibly can in less than the time. So if you're ready to learn more about how you can automate your content, I've got an automation open house coming up, my 12x AI enhanced automation masterclass where I show you how to do this. I also teach you the messaging that we use, the messaging framework that we use inside of all of our content so that you too can go out and start creating client-getting content today. So that link is right down below in the notes, and I hope to see you in my next AI Amplifier Masterclass.